Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12 Cbse Max Integrals exercise 7.11 question number 7. Let's see the question. By using the property of definite integrals, we are going to use definite integrals property here. Integration x into 1 minus x power, the whole power n dx from 0 to 1. Here it is from 0 to 1 means 0 to a means we can use the format of 0 to a f of x is equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x. So we can use this formula from 0 to a. So let I is equal to the given question, that is this is your f of x. We need to find f of a minus x. A minus x is substituting the upper value minus the minus x. In the place wherever we see x, just substitute 1 minus x. Here this will be also be I, because we know that if this I take as I, even this becomes I is, this both are equal. As this both are equal, we can take it to be I. 0 to 1, in the place of x 1 minus x, the place of x 1 minus of 1 minus x. Here there is a minus sign, so write it in a bracket. The whole power n. Taking minus sign inside, it becomes 0 to 1. 1 minus x, here taking minus sign inside becomes plus 6, the whole power n. This get cancelled and we have x power n dx. Integration 0 to 1, 1 minus l, x, here it becomes x power n. So for x power n, we can multiply this 2. Here we can't, because this is the something, there are two terms inside, so we can't multiply it inside. But in this case, we can multiply this inside. It becomes 0 to 1. It becomes x power n minus x power n plus 1 dx. Separately, we can do integration. We know the integration formula for x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So we can substitute this formula here. We can solve this. It becomes x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus, here it becomes x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 from 0 to 1. Here this becomes x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus x power n plus 2 by n plus 2 from 0 to 1. Now substitute the upper value minus lower value. Substituting upper value 1, it becomes 1 power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 power n plus 2 by n plus 2. Minus this becomes 0. Substituting x value as 0, so everything will become 0. Now 1 power any number will be 1 only. So 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. Now taking LCM, just cross multiply the numerator, it becomes n plus 2 minus of n plus 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Now taking the minus sign inside, will be getting n plus 2 minus n minus 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Here this get cancelled. Your final answer, solving this 2, it becomes 1. So 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. This will be your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.